ping pong ball size. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Calhoun County in southwest Arkansas, Cleveland County in southeast Arkansas, southeastern Dallas County in southwest Arkansas, south central Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, central Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Fordyce and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Star City, Resin, Grays Lake, Fordyce, Whitefield, Tri-County Lake, Toledo, Tipton, Nebo, Mount Alba, Linwood, Kingsland, Kedron, Herbine, Hebron, Feeneyville, Cray Lake, Cane Creek Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday morning for Arkansas. The tornado